Here are 10 African countries known for having some of the poorest road infrastructures due to factors such as underfunding, inadequate maintenance, difficult terrain, and political instability. 1. Democratic Republic of the Congo, DRC. Roads are in extremely poor condition, especially outside the capital, Kinshasa. 2. Central African Republic. Due to ongoing conflict and neglect, road infrastructure is very poor. 3. South Sudan. Due to civil war and underdevelopment, roads are mostly unpaved and poorly maintained. 4. Madagascar. Poorly maintained roads, especially in rural areas, make travel difficult. 5. Chad. Large portions of the country have no paved roads, and the existing ones are poorly maintained. 6. Niger. Many roads are unpaved, making travel difficult, particularly during the rainy season. 7. Sierra Leone. Road infrastructure has been improving but remains poor, particularly in rural areas. 8. Liberia. Many roads are unpaved and are heavily impacted by the rainy season. 9. Somalia. Due to conflict and lack of governance, road infrastructure is very poor. 10. Guinea. Roads in many areas are unpaved and in poor condition, especially during the rainy season. These countries face significant challenges in terms of transportation infrastructure, which impacts economic development and connectivity.